Hi there, welcome to Clevitars, the channel where avatars like me bring knowledge, fun, and creativity to life. Today we'll get some insights into the topic, should older adults learn AI? Let's find out.
Imagine this, your grandma using ChatGPT to write a poem for her book club, or your grandpa asking an AI assistant for gardening tips. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's happening. But here's the big question, should older adults learn AI? Today, we'll explore the benefits, challenges, and solutions to help seniors embrace this fast-growing tech world. Let's dive in. AI isn't just for tech-savvy millennials or Gen Z. It's already making life easier for older adults in ways you might not expect. Here's how AI is revolutionizing health and wellness. For example, AI-powered devices like smartwatches can monitor heart rates, detect falls, and even alert emergency contacts. The Apple Watch, for instance, has saved countless lives by detecting irregular heart rhythms. In daily life, virtual assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant can set medication reminders, control smart home devices, and even answer questions. AI also fosters social connection. Tools like video chat platforms and social media algorithms help seniors stay connected with family and friends, reducing feelings of isolation. And let's not forget learning opportunities. AI-powered apps like Duolingo or YouTube tutorials make it easy for seniors to learn new skills, from languages to hobbies. AI isn't just a tool, it's a bridge to independence, connection, and lifelong learning. Now, let's talk about why seniors should actively learn AI, not just use it passively. Learning AI empowers seniors to navigate the digital world on their own, giving them confidence and independence. For example, understanding how to use AI apps can help them manage finances, shop online, or even book travel. It's also great for cognitive stimulation. Studies show that learning new skills, especially tech-related ones, keeps the brain sharp and reduces the risk of cognitive decline. Plus, it's a fantastic way to bond with younger generations. Imagine a grandparent teaching their grandchild how to use an AI tool, or vice versa. It creates shared experiences and bridges the generational gap. And let's not forget staying relevant. In a world increasingly driven by technology, understanding AI helps seniors stay informed and engaged in conversations about the future. Learning AI isn't just about keeping up, it's about thriving in a tech-driven world. Of course, learning AI isn't without its challenges, especially for older adults. Many seniors face digital literacy gaps because they didn't grow up with technology, so even basic concepts like apps or cloud storage can feel overwhelming. There's also a fear of making mistakes. Many worry about breaking something or doing it wrong, which can discourage experimentation. The fast-paced nature of the tech world can also feel daunting, with constant updates and new tools to keep up with. And let's not forget privacy concerns. Many seniors worry about data security and how their information is used by AI systems. But here's the good news. These challenges are solvable. Community classes and workshops are a great starting point. Many libraries, community centers, and senior organizations offer beginner-friendly tech classes tailored for older adults. Companies are also designing AI tools with simplicity in mind. For example, voice assistants like Alexa are intuitive and require minimal setup. One-on-one support from family members or tech-savvy friends can make the learning process less intimidating. Online resources like YouTube, Coursera, and even AI chatbots provide step-by-step tutorials, allowing seniors to learn at their own pace. And most importantly, practice and patience are key. Starting small, like using a voice assistant for reminders, and gradually exploring more complex tools can make the process manageable and enjoyable. Remember, it's never too late to learn. With the right support and resources, anyone can master AI. Still not convinced? Let me share some inspiring stories. Mary, a 75-year-old, learned to use an AI-powered fitness app to track her steps and stay active, helping her lose 20 pounds and improve her health. John, an 80-year-old widower, found companionship through an AI chatbot, which helped him combat loneliness. And Linda, a 68-year-old, started a small online business selling handmade crafts, using AI tools to manage inventory and market her products. These stories prove that age is just a number when it comes to embracing technology. And here's the exciting part. The future of AI is even brighter. From personalized healthcare to AI-driven transportation, the possibilities are endless. By learning AI now, seniors can fully embrace these innovations and lead more fulfilling lives. So, should older adults learn AI? Absolutely. It's not just about keeping up with technology. It's about enhancing independence, staying connected, and living life to the fullest. If you're an older adult or know someone who is, encourage them to take the leap. The world of AI is waiting.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might find it helpful. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite AI tool or feature? Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.